Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Shay Rivenger of Hit the Hoopla. Thank you so much for joining me for a very quick Hoopla of Y'all show. And I will be previewing a little move here real quick. And all that kind of stuff. I am coming to you live from my new office. We have tried desperately trying to get my other camera set up. It's just not wanting to do that with the new computer setup. But anyway, well, welcome to the Hoopla of Y'all show. Talk about health, humor, and hooping. And this is the last of the series, the Be Your Bliss series, hashtag Be Your Bliss. And this is the number 4 in the 4th of the series. So number 1 was because of how to be your bliss. Number 2 was begin. I'm cheating and looking at my notes. Number 3 is blessings, counting your blessings, being appreciative, your gratitude. And 4, we're talking about the bliss. We got to the bliss. Okay, so alrighty. So bliss. So to me, and you know, maybe you feel this way too, but bliss is a path, not necessarily a destination. So you need to enjoy things along the way. So, you know, the old saying of the stop and smell the roses. So yeah, stop and take time to do that. Stop and take time to smile. So even when my hubby was trying to help me with all this technology, you know, I got out like little snacks, fell asleep, you know, just did all kinds of things just to try and keep it entertaining. And while he was doing all the techie stuff, I'm like, oh, screw it, turn on the radio and start hooping behind him and try not to hit him with a hoop. So anyway, just keeping the bliss going even though the tech is not working. So, but anyway, I got the tech working in my low-tech way with my 2-camera setup of how I know how to do it. So anyway, yeah, and so I want to give you a little health tip. Many of you, if this is your first time tuning in, thank you so much for watching. If you know, say hi in the comments where you're watching from. That is pretty cool. My personal journey, I have gone through a thing with Candida before, where I've had a battle with that. So I've had to change my dietary nutritional intake to have less sugar intake. And so one of my tricks, so this is my health recommendation, and again, this is my personal journey, but a lot of people have inflammation in their body and it manifests itself in a lot of different ways. So inflammation being when your immune system is compromised. So, you know, if you think about cold and flu season, and I use air quotes on that, you know, if you kind of you know, for lack of a better way to say it, buy into or believe that, then you know, then you're kind of like, first of all, your mental is going into to believe that. So if you think of yourself as being stronger, and also like physically, mentally, and emotionally build up your immune system to be better, then you can fight off things. It could be negative energy out there. It could be the cooties that come at you, the actual viral and you know, and bugs and things like that. But you know, keeping yourself clean of nutritional intake, eating less processed foods, getting more veggies in your diet, getting less, you know, more whole foods, good cooked, good foods, as many raw things as you can, you know, so that you get your enzymes, less meat, things like that. And again, this is, you know, personal journey. You may have to discover this for yourself. And thanks so much for watching. Yes, missed me at the Bronco game yesterday. I know, and it was in our calendar because I could have sworn that we were supposed to be at that game yesterday. So, and out here in Idaho where we're at now, so we have season tickets to the Denver Broncos game. So one of my friends was just commenting that they missed us at the game, and I am a Bronco super fan. There, I am Bronco belly dance girl, Bronco belly dancer, aka bikini girl. So I have this whole shtick, and check it out. I even have my little Broncos outfit on today, and even more orange. So yeah. Yes, yes, yes. But thank you for saying that. I appreciate that, right? Thank you so much. Alrighty, so back to the topic here, because I was going to do a real short show today, just to even get one in before my before the days changed. So for my sugar journey, one of the health recommendations that I have is to use a very simple spice. And this helps with sugar regulation. Very easy to use. Do you know what it is? Do you know? Do you know? Hit in the comments. Okay, ready? It's cinnamon. Cinnamon is a really good, it helps regulate your insulin level so you don't have as many insulin spikes. So that's one of the reasons why they suggest putting like cinnamon in your oatmeal. And also cinnamon is a sweet like spice. So you can actually put cinnamon in things and have that, it's kind of like a little bit of a mind trick. So you don't actually have to put sugar into things. Or use as much. So if you're trying to cut back on sugar, because sugar actually hinders your immune system from working at its optimal level. So let's say you get a little bug and you get a cold, and you're trying to recover. Try and cut out sugar at least temporarily, and just fill yourself up with all the good vitamins and nutrients, and try and cut out sugar, because sugar it feeds the bugs in your system. So it feeds cancer, it feeds candida, and it feeds other bacterial things too. So all the bad bugs love sugar. They just love it. So if you don't want those to grow in your body, try and lessen the sugar. So anyway, cinnamon, real easy. Most everybody has it in their cabinet. If you don't, just get some, and you can, when you get the good ingredients, you can spend a little bit more on less, but you have a good quality ingredient. So anyway, try cinnamon. All right, so that's their health tip for today. All right, we have a laughter yoga exercise, a little laughter yoga exercise. So this is the blissful shower shimmy. Yes, shimmy. Okay. See, this is why I have notes, because I already had my show planned. So, all right. So I'm going to stand for this. And if you would like to do this with me, I highly encourage you to do this. So this is a fake it till you make it laughter. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a nice deep breath in. And as we exhale out, we're going to laugh it out, but we're going to do it with a whole body shimmy. So, and take another inhale in. Let's do this 3 times. Inhale it in. And exhale it out. I'm going to take my hands forward because it fits better in the camera. All right, one more time. Inhale it in. And laugh it out. And shimmy, 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 shimmy. Shake it all out, shake it all out, shake it all out. And it's good to get up from a chair every once in a while, move around and laugh. And let's say, like right now when I'm doing this particular broadcast, it's a late, but in case you're in a house that, everybody's asleep and stuff like that, and you still want to participate in the laughter yoga exercise, you can just do it with a silent laughter. So it doesn't have to be a full, it can just be a, when you start laughing and nobody can hear you because you're laughing so hard that you're in that zone, try that. That's kind of fun. So that's an interesting trick. Now, at the end of laughter yoga exercises, we take our hands together and we go, very good, yay. We do that twice. Ready? Very good, yay. Do it again. Very good, yay. All right, so that is fun. All right, now we're going to do a little bit of a hooping exercise. So the last time we did a hand pass. So a hand pass, and so we did pinky to pinky, thumb to thumb, pinky to pinky, thumb to thumb. You can do it in reversing directions, and then you can take it around the body. Now, what I want to show you, I love my new floor. It's really nice too. All right, so what I want to show you is that you're going to go thumb to thumb in the front, and then pinky to pinky in the back, thumb to thumb in the front, pinky to pinky in the back. Okay, so now if you're having a tough time with this position in the back, it's because you need to be moving the hoop the whole time. So if you, couple of hints that will help you get this. So you can have a bigger hoop that will help. I'm using a small hoop because I'm in a smaller space. I'm actually in a bigger space. I am so happy about this. Look at this. I couldn't do that in my little office, teeny tiny office space before. So, and I even have a nice bigger broadcast wall that I'm going to be doing that in the new office. Anyway, so what we're going to be doing is you also want to turn in the direction that the hoop is moving. So if I'm passing my hoop to the left, I'm going to turn to the left. Okay, So that's, and also the hoop likes movement. So if you are back here and you're searching for the hand placement back here, that's when you're going to be pulling on your shoulders and trying to arch, and you're going to be going kind of weird here. So we want to just really try and take that and make it a smooth movement. And if you keep the hands nice and long, that helps too. So those are some things that help you with that hand pass. Now here's a little trick. So when you're getting this hand pass around the body, you can do all kinds of things with this. You can do with the knee, so you can go underneath the knee in case you don't want it to get a kick. You can lift the leg up. I'll lift the leg up higher so I get it in the camera. Okay, so you're taking underneath, hand pass, and bringing it back out. Okay, so and then the knee, let's see if I can get the knee up high. So you're taking it out and over, out and over. Okay, so one of my cameras, the one that's going to go on YouTube, is horizontal and the other one's vertical. So 2 different camera shots on that. Alrighty, so the interesting thing is that you're going to be going thumb to thumb, thumb to pinky. So thumb to thumb in the front, pinky to pinky in the back. Now you can do this all the way up and down the body. So you can go low and then you can go high. But interestingly enough, when you go high, you can't do this in the same way. So now you need to change the grip hand position. So on one of these, you're going to be taking, and it's going to go thumb to thumb in the front now, and then pinky to pinky. So thumb to thumb, pinky to pinky to go around when you start getting you popping up over the shoulders. So I can go thumb to thumb in front, and then right about here, I have to take it and change the hand position to go all the way up the body. So again, the hoop likes to be able to keep away from what I call hoop droop, which here's your hoop at a nice horizontal level. Here's hoop droop. Ooh, okay. So you want to keep your hoop moving around as you're doing this, right? So pinky, pardon me. Pinky to pinky, thumb to thumb, pinky to pinky, thumb to thumb. Okay. So anyway, that's a cool little hoop trick that is fun and easy to use. Hi, Maya. Okay. So I'm like trying to read the comments sideways on one of my broadcasts here. Alrighty, so yay. I don't know if I can add a comment there. Pardon me. And now I'm out of water. Okay. There we go. This is my fun one. Best day ever. Yeah. So, I'm going to take a little sip of water. A good well water here. I just refill my bottles all the time. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching. Yes, hi Maya. As I'm looking sideways so I can read your comments. So and Crystal, Rays of Light. Yes, okay. Sometimes when you run the name together, you have to like break it up as to where it stops. I love when people read my email back to me, either one of my emails, and they massacre the pronunciation of them all the time. So anyway, alrighty. Well, thank you so much for watching. I am Shay Ripperger of Hip the Hoopla. You've been watching the Hoopla of Y'all show, the Be Your Bliss series. Let me know what it is for you that how you find your bliss. What it is for you that is a neat thing along the way, along your path. And that's my point of today's broadcast too, is just enjoying things along the path. So it's not about just attaining this thing out here that's going to be your bliss goal, and you know you'll be happy when that occurs. You know, start living your bliss now, so that you know maybe you come short of that goal or whatever, but it's not, you know, you enjoy the process along the way, because also that helps train you to accept that success later too. So yeah, there's some really neat brain psychology that goes with that as well. All right, I'm trying to keep this broadcast really nice and short. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like the channel and subscribe And I'm on Hip the Hoopla everywhere, on Instagram, on Facebook, and I have a YouTube channel where I do some really cool videos, choreographies, tutorials, and health tips and things like that. And this Hoopla of Y'all show has been running quite a while now. I'm almost ready to wrap up my second year of doing the Hoopla of Y'all show. I'm very excited about that, and it's a weekly show. And yeah, so very, very excited. So thank you all for your support on that. And if you haven't already signed up for the email, go to my website, www.hipthehoopla.com, and sign up there for the email, and you get free tutorials and extra neat little things that not everybody else gets. So you'll be part of the world news, get it? And in the Hip the Hoopla inner circle. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a really wonderful day, evening, week, wherever you are on the planet, and whatever time zone you're in. So, all right, rock on. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Bye.